Let's take a look at the chart action for Dogecoin. Okay, so here's what I'm looking at. In my last video, I was watching this support and this resistance. I was waiting for a breakout to the upside or to the downside to get a better idea of what's going on. I actually thought we were going to break to the downside and retest the bottom, but we broke to the upside. So the next thing that I'm looking at are the previous resistances. What I really want to see us do is break out of this little area right here so we can get more confident on the next target, which is the next previous resistance sitting at .134. We broke this first target that I was looking at around .123. I think the other spots that I'm kind of concerned about is this one and this one. Let's go ahead and copy and paste this red line and do something like this. I think if we could break out of this little area right here, then we could get more confident on the next one sitting at .134. The other thing that I'm watching is the daily time frame. Let's go ahead and jump into the daily time frame. I was watching this resistance and this resistance right here. Let's go ahead and do a downtrend, something like this. This is on the daily time frame, and I think if we could break above this downtrend, or if we could break this downtrend going to the upside, then the next targets that I'll be looking at is this previous resistance and this one up here. So let's go ahead and copy and paste some of these red lines, do one like this and then one like this. The first step is breaking this downtrend going to the upside. Then I think we could start looking at these spots. These ones are sitting at .165 and .185. So I think step one, let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. This is pretty much what I'm watching right now. I want to see us break out of this little box right here, and if we can, then the next target that I'm looking at is .134. I'm kind of concerned about this trend line, this downtrend right here. This is from the daily time frame. So if we could break above that, hit the target, then and we could break through this target as well, then the next spots that I'll be looking at, like I said, is .165. It does look like we're having a little bit of trouble right here, but the other thing that I kind of like that we did is we broke above the 180 moving average right here going to the upside. We got rejected on it right here and started trending down, and I was thinking if we could break above this, then maybe we could get more confident on the next target. We did break above it, so I think this is a good sign in my opinion. I think the next thing that I really want to do, like I was saying, is just break out of this box. Then I'll get more confident on this one up here sitting at .134. We also have some pretty decent green volume going on right now, so there's a couple of different things that are looking pretty decent. We have this green volume, we broke to the upside. It looks like we're testing this resistance right now, but if we could break above this, then I think it looks pretty good and we might be heading to that next target at around .134. I am concerned about this downtrend, but let's see what happens. This is just my opinion, and these are just some of the things that I'm looking at. If you guys liked the video, hit that thumbs up, and if you want to support the channel, join my Patreon. I'll leave a link in the comments.